esa makwa babiem megiri se babia wono pa bia ho eye ensuo agugu awrewosem asi ensuo yira fam krofo eno tisi abonten so a ya kwan ne ensuo agira fa so oponglo traffic light otra just about 30 seconds dia ka nyina ensuo na age ekwan ne fa ensuo de nko Asem sifo mbetete ye gatasim adodo ye kwan enchen si abantwi obokento moja adwuma no tinso to a etakwa mu etukwan ye betimi afa cars bese miensa enan no na afa baako no kra ye half of baako no ti baby e kwase traffic is na traffic ache ko e kan traffic light ka ko kama so to kakra bi a ye de amia e wo man mu ya me hu ye mobo so be sha se atotoi e be yira fafiafiem da bi aka am se aka wotimpatamu ahwie wo bola da bi agugatam e so be to yira fawo aban bi ama omoa wo ye fiewura Zula for ba fie say jomo be ni bi ba sti won mu ase da bi me da mempre ba bi atu enwuragu because of capre ne sempo abetua amoma fa bola na konti o nempo kranye ana anso ko fie on wakogi na akante tu ko no se ne status code tie no ye de gata o ye hwie ye ngura de go etu so so nya na akohwie ngura na de go esu be yira fa woja pade be sei enema wabru mojani anya no ebe hwi akọ ni aban betimi aya ma wa ye sorry na nadmode emo 1 cup anwa kwoto abaako uye la ke na wanya jene enchire se wa akoto we ne epe no si yanka si yamfa ya ma ne bra mfa esi na so amo ne yi a ensuo beto ayira fa yen mese ne aban betimi aye dia ma o ye se monka fra bibie na obiem sika bie ne ba bia etam de ama etimpotam na atno wa husu obi ehwie ai bola e de gugatamu a ka wasem ba bia obi abesi dan enye entrase nya twasem de enye masem because no ba bia wo sini dan no wonim so wonum aya afrom etu obeto ne wo no amana kosoro sene be ya foundation be gira na so ye etinso ba na hete na amane afa na aba betwa afa so wanka ho asemu a wajapade be sei omane ye mai ye nyina dia anpa menchia mampani abede akire His Excellency Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia akra so ho ye menka sanche kosa do pe wadwuma kesi bi honum menkasa enche kra ko ne won komokesi bi won mu a ebedi ansane yakọ the People's Forum eso me choose school bi ewo bio ye no wo wale pacho binya video ba ko na nka mepe no ne pillars wo animu no me ba video we so yes me pacho we school dan yan kwada ko school bio primary school eko we school dan Yes, school in 1995. Ebesi na yenya renovation bia school no biem. School Daniel, etuba say because en kwada ntie timi ntwa kwada but ohwemu abo say school for no e wo inside o musua de. School ni nyina classrooms e wo eye miensa. But from class 1 to class 6. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia chiao we Ministry of Education adwuma na supani de tiam de bo abobo no ye say eye agent entoso ba bia do ho jim na mpo se agite toboa ene ne kwose school for the ma adesuafo yi a yenye ne sa eye education ministry eye abamu nyina a oka ho bi adesua but mampani abede kire me de bo oni because e ben waboboa no se osie nyina akwa ye di mobile number bi tudwa ni agent wari kosi se school di man kwada yi a yenye pacho hwe TV de so hwe school danya en kwada omo yo my Ghana fapem e kwada omo yo my Ghana eni da so etimusua de Oh no TV so. Primary school, Aban school. 1995 nam CSC school yi. Efrebra man peninda da John Ajekum Kofuo ede. Si anu aduane mfa ma mofra ewo entotofe wa school mu no. School yi adesuafo mu enya bi ni da. Ebesi na ekasan. Aduane anu ama mofra ewo primary school no. Adesuafo ekọ school bio primary school omunya bi ni da. Ebesi na ekasan. Me say classrooms ni ya miensa, but class ni free class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say no mo ya no. Class 1 and 2 one class. 3 and 4 another class. And 5 and 6 another class. Is the extra class 1 for dia. Class 2 for ntimi mpie. This out tenem no akwa no atum. Ni akọ break aba. Ye ba ni abeche class 2 for ade na class 1 for some ye din e ma class 2 for sua ade sa na 12 hours for class 3 4 class 5 6 fa pembe na ye body ama e ma e wo ye disuam fa pembe na patruam hwe wo tv ni so na ye school a adisuafo enkwada tim e sua ade school na buawie she pile se wo school nim abuawie o school no abuawie e de si wonom school na buawie e de si wonom ana awrawo ni just e mofra e ti de so kopiem e wo bio empata wonom a awofo ne ma e ko school no biyam hihye mo e bi kra mo ma jai school because me baba kwa tena dem asua de na se me yem be hyehyem sama me BP akoso de won tena fie de wani abofo ne bi enso boka education school population e ba fom because education no eni nye kromafo etaretare na tedan bi me ara second video no kromafo no etaretare na tedan no ebi ade ma school no but eno so na sense okra to na ehorofa ede koy because ede tedan ebini etu wo eho na atwie no the other side na ahoro ndekọ no ahoro dekọ when no my timo and knocking kan IMF for report om dia ba Ghana e ba ye school samua ahoro yes aban the free senior high school aba ya the papa ya boy ensema aban but it is poorly targeted. And affecting your primary education. Your primary education is hugely affected. Over 11 billion Ghana cedis near spending on free senior school from 2019 to date. But your primary school is affected. A teacher for extra year I will be a primary school. And so to be school. Esumuna baby ata ns esumuna 10 by 10:15 or say a pon because o twema kwada le tremu a asembo ne beto esuto anetedan no ehoro fa ne ko esuto a eba classroom no eti kwada le timi ntina ho no esua de and apart from the market no classroom bi any baby ebiem ne abayan kasa fititi ne boremu esi ye no eye 3 classrooms class 1 and 2 etna one class 3 and 4 na another class and 5 and 6 na another class it e chiro mu nyina de bom konya kwada bi o maso odi o class 1 na class 2 fo ntimi nya so ensua de education minister etumpan foko aprobo ade no meka kire wo abanam sini district education officer ya awon dia man bo na mo de ma abanpan fa one crime. Yanhwe ne ye o. Yeka ni say nyina. Yanhwe ne ye. Because see your mofra ne fa pem. Se efom na anko ye a eso ne bedwiregu. Eti be wie chi ne mofra kodu SHS university a eye chiw Paul forget no moye. Ekwa be fa so betwa ensore enko anade. Etena na do de som no de na kwa be sinsom awi baba de gu tiba kwa twa so hwe no betwe o wi na bisa na a osesin because one kai hwe a formal entity no anko ye etima pani abedeche once again His Excellency Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. But see where abamu nyina or mamu nyina say but the etiam ne bo abobo ano ye say e wo mpesua so wale. Opani yam pe kwan ye befa so a ye besi sa school day e de ama de suafo wo bio primary school. But I say man fa asem dika ensianom na minim komo bitaw on Zoom. Many Minister for Information Ono Kojo upon Kroma ewa maniso. Ye can education ye de no e na so. Because I am for the krata epia bonten apam chihye omne Ghana ban ekoye. Ene niam o hu se eye sinto Ghana e sikasem chichire eho. Ba ku bi o maboso e dos de ba ku bi o maboso eye about ye free senior high school. Se eye se aban the free senior high school aba. But omo IMF wonu say eye poorly targeted. Oh my Ghana spending close to 4% of our GDP on education. Now so to do na kojina senior high school and the form no suffer. IMF pesa ba ye hu bibi. Ona ko jo pon kuma Johnny advise me akwa me ni eni ko na wote e ka no pai ye mo achi mo akwa ba e ba Badwam dwumadi so on Adom TV.
See me Johnson next saying
Boko akra. Near IMF catch Ghana nyina through ya by and say ye free senior high school ya aba mene ama enrollment echo about 1.3 million ya de papa but a poorly targeted. Aban some say ababa ye ho dey.
Okwesi me da say edi kan no I was say in United say ye ne IMF nkita hodie no ene krata IMF for de aba bonten no enye bibia wono mo nim anase bibia ye nim no mo ka kire. In fact wo kan sa krata na fitibeye page fanise 53 no memorandum. In fact, a letter of intent that finance minister, any governor, any tro, IMF, ne ye chere ne ma yan kase pese ye. Na omo so omo chere o ma dwen kakra e wo ho. Na wo fa free SHS na no kre aban atrama IMF say ye koye no. Your flagship programs ni narabe dunsia no. Ye behwem na nea ye mu nsakra ye kakra ye yi no. Yaye. Aban a trust Asem no come IMF under the fund program. Ubi tia bi anadwen be ne say IMF wo na aforce yesi enya na say Asem foforo. Enya Asem foforo. March 21st, 2022. Ena Ghana ban edi kan board the rule say all flagship programs including free SHS are up for review. In fact, Adom online, mokra na moye story ne mai, a press briefing with information ministry and a chiremu. Na mwakwa na moye story in mind say all flagship programs including free SHS are up for review. Obaka I say March 2022 near call quarter one reviewer a buyer buying started a year and she say yesi kasem no yenhwe na yenye ehu bibi kakra nti enya asem foforo. Na IMF asemo a wo mo e kan say almost susun say free senior high school program no yan targeting yi ebio mesana de wadwen akọ 2017 abra ye free SHS program no ase ye ka say yen target kra o ka say o target ya na chere say nkwala qualify a o mo kọ senior high school no o target bi na we yi bi afim say we dey obenya free SHS na we dey onya free SHS 2017 ene ye ka say ade bia ufi ase na aircon anim no wahwe sene a obedane dane no inti ye fi ase 2017 no ye target obi a wa qualify for senior high school no won ko bi aso mo kwa ye hwe dia eye no na ba bia wo se ye review ye nsisaye kakra no ya hwe ne ye okwani nyame anim ni ya ifi nkrase ne ade ye bae no se wo hwe oba na wo hwe nkwala ahodo anya kwan ekosuku na free senior high school a Yankopon ena yedanase na na do ne MPP aban ne yedanase. In fact enra e wo fun ase program ba ko ye nkwala efi akokwa so senior high school ba o masemu a o be ka kire me ne se free SHS ne ebo mo nyina na mpo no krampo no how kakra ofi a ɛno koraa mpo mpɛ sɛ nkɛhwɛ ne ɛka ho asɛm nti sɛ aban di ka kyerɛ mu sɛ yɛn target koraa yɛ start obi anko bi na mmom yɛkɔ yɛn nim no yɛbɛhwɛ ne ayɛ review na sɛ 2022 March 21st yɛ announce sɛ yɛfi aseɛ ne ayɛ review na nnɛ yɛatwerɛ akɔ IMF sɛ saa review no yɛgu so a yɛyɛ nti nyame nkyɛ adeɛ by 2024 budget yɛkɔ akɔwura 2024 budget no na review no ne nsunsuansoɔ no yɛde ahyɛ budget no mu a bibi foforɔ bi yɛnsi ne na ada so pɛpɛpɛpɛpɛ sɛnea yɛka no 2017 2022 na yɛsan akyerɛ akɔ ma IMF ne na ada so pɛpɛpɛpɛ
okay it yɛnhwɛ now IMF position yɛ sɛ ɛyɛ poorly targeted now aban efiri ase in 2017 also the on target obiya sa review aban ɛyɛ obe consider the comment by IMF say ɛyɛ poorly targeted something amanfo bi edi kan raise kra o mamu kra nsa na IMF de ne de to say
ɛna make sure mo say ɛni di mu a ɛnyɛ IMF ɛna ɛbɛkyerɛ yɛn sɛ poorly targeted because yanka say yɛfi ase ne yɛka say yɛn target kra
okay
nti yɛn target kra na say IMF say targeting anymore the omo kan de ayen kan emo ebra the same thing ɛna yɛn nso yɛka say mfitiase ne yɛn target na yɛkɔ yɛn nim no yɛbɛhwɛ kwan a yɛbɛfa so na yɛ review ne gyina nneɛma mmiɛnsa so efficiency ne kyerɛ sɛ sika bi wɔ mu a betumi save ana waste bi wɔ mu a betumi save ana ebi adeɛ bi wɔ hɔ a yeyi free mu a ɛyɛ yie ana the second part of the review no effectiveness say ade na wo ye no effective ana akwala bi a enka ampaniampa ontumi nko suku so free SHS nti otumi ko suku ana awofo bi anka je so omde omkoko ekosi awowa ansa no monkwala akọ suku no so free SHS nti ene nkwala betumi akọ suku ansa na sa nkwala no nkwala betumi akọ suku e wa bra busua no mfa kokko nkosi awowa na ansa na value for money say sreko bia ye spend e wo free SHS so no ye nya sreko eso mfaso ana sa 3 pillars we ne dey review no na me ka say by the time ye ko 2024 budget ni mu no obon say review no mu nsunsuanso no ye dey bewura 2024 fiscal program and say budget no mu nti any dey mu enye obi foforo na e ba be kire yen say targeting enim and I say we say efficiency and effectiveness any value for money. Asem from 2017 na ya can say yen target starting obi ankobi no afi ye behwe na ya ye emu reviews no so na 2022 ye bo ho dewuro na ya san tro to IMF say ye fi ase and say ye to aso de na by 2024 budget no na baby akwakodo no ye de ahye budget program no.
Prior to 2016 elections among four raising questions when Nana Akufo-Addo started a free senior high school no ABM. Sir, baby back on come between the actually year. You share the cost benefit analysis of the whole program now by Eddie Ebano. Chishebe na MPP as a party then in opposition. Eddie go akwa making sure say free senior high school no ebetumi sustainable na sustainable so a and drain your my Ghana sika bebre.
And she share na opinion odi anim your friend of Professor Jambafo me na me te pon ne ho bi na san hye no wo mo fi ase ye and e be wie say woka say odi kan ka say sika na ye spending on education no
sure
bebre wo senior high school level ne cover by ne say wo hwe education statistics na president Kufuor brain no dey capitation grant e buy into wutumu say basic education level no obi atumi kobi titena na akwala bi etifie waso school ko batontumi nko because of capitation grant intino obi atumi kobi na fi wo hwe nkwala awie basic education omuntumi nko senior high school na wo say ye intervention ebeboa ma obi wie basic education na wetwa nko ade a otumi eko senior high school. Professor Jambafo mo ye insisiye no omuhu the ibe cost as a percentage of GDP. And the bottom line is say na ye aban discretionary expenditure. In fact, abra ifi asese ye no. Asem we bi mu kan ne say ene ye nhyem ramfa ho na aban foforo bi ambesisa no. And ye make argument ne say no a discretionary expenditure e de ma aban. Nti say si MPP aban ni so say akwala bia beko school for free a ehia say be hye mra e wo ho unim say abere bia MPP wa ban mu akwala beko school for free issue bi ani ho ye koye ni mu no say wo say ye ho review a ye be and the sustainability ne de ejina aban priority eso aban ene raise sika afie bia na o spend sika or spending on Yama Hodo, my buying programs are hold where ministries, departments, and agencies are hold on. Say are buying determination, say, Obekoso was spending Amasa Diana ye, Obema efficiency, effectiveness, ne value for money abemua, a buying obey. Say nya buying no any swadi whom and ya de see a buying any so say obey dia. Any de be obenya excuse antia fanise onye. And sustainability in India, it depends on government domestic revenue mobilization. And I know a kahobi na brebiane eka domestic revenue mobilization. Who Asem say, "Was it to me? A peja a toa itia a memo has say near to me at the ISH man. A bit more do much any say, yincha a toa bin tour for free SHS. And I say revenue be about bemono, sa revenue no yen chen to say sa si Canada for free SHS and kwa." Sabre the aban yen say discretionary expenditure. Your friend say total revenue flows ne bana. Ne decide say emu say and a ye free SHS. And musumu na ye value for money and effectiveness and efficiency. Nemo I was the last thing I make and say no minimum our joy kasa me board date next 21st March 2022. And yes announcement. Me who say no story or match online. O ma say there you date na film I said the Asem foforo but you Asem foforo momo bia nkai Ghana for e da ban through information ministry yes announcement no first time nti Asem foforo.
Okay, it's after the qualitative and quantitative of free senior high school. Now IMF issue ba come raise say the quantity, the number of students are enya through free senior high school across school no, that's enrollment no apeja classroom. As of now, we are heading to about 1.3 million students. Now, the quality of education here, they've also raised concerns about it. Over the years, now my penny I think launch free senior school. My penny can say the program will continue to be reviewed. Now, the quality of education for Yemano has become something that our four education stakeholders are raising concern about it.
I will see answer here very simple. Me do be call 23rd March 2023
okay.
Now actually see 23rd March 2023 Education Minister Enya Bre answer a question about learning outcomes.
Okay.
Says so ye fee free SHS aseno West Africa Education Council omona fanese omo ya atembuafo wo enkwala school ko at least at the senior high school level. So we saw say quality na performance na kosora omu yi ano sen enye me na was meka West Africa Education Council WAEC for omu neka and WAEC for actually the results are back clearly so enkwala no wo quality na kosora na bafom menim say Adom TV mo ankasa mo report TV me we am send the video no abro of education minister going through the results by last year WAEC results, the year before WAEC results, the year preceding that WAEC results. Me beside who say quality no according to WAEC quality ne kosra na say bafo. Nti me matter of factor enye say me na me say and say we ne say. O dem na hwe WAEC for results. Na no hwe WAEC for publications are my education ministry e dey abeto abenten quite clear say quality of education, in fact, pass rate near the in fact, baby, or more point is also a rather than basic education level. So at class 2, name say class 4, class 6, and qualify in to me king can qualify in to be chop. And no, your baby crumple was a area. But WAEC results on the above thing last 3-4 years, you know. And no, the answer question now about quality of education. Okay. I mean, someone can say more publications needed that. The quality of education as per the WAEC results now year on year no WAEC can cast a akofo.
Okay. It's that
notwithstanding no.
Okay.
Yeah, say how much money is spent on free SHS, value for money and effectiveness. All the other 15 flagship programs no. I did see and say yehwe na yetumi ehwe se be review mo ebe. Then finally about the quality of education a ongoing idea was a abrabia and aban bia wohwe se baby o ha bibi to sin na obepeja ma obepeja bibi koyi na obeto aso but why results are on the abade mesre say wan kasa mun publishing ma mahwefo ne motiefo nyina ehunu na mbehu se why can ka say quality no ekofo
eti Ghana fonya ahotoso say by 2024 your budget ebe ready no there will be a review of senior high school year ebe save Ghana sika much more than your year spending CCA e wo ho ana
review no na maka cho say egu enema miensa eso ba ko eye efficiency ne chere say obetumi aye savings bia wo mu a e wo so yes savings no wo mu effectiveness e chere say ade a esi wani so no so wutumi aye na say wo se obema nkwala qualify from basic school na nke ntumi nko senior high school obema wo mu nyina ntumi akọ senior high school koso ana enkoso asa na value for money say utua sre ko bia 1 cedi bia for free senior high school are you getting 1 cedi's worth for free senior high school
okay
and no review na
okay
now by the time I go into budget 2024 no outcomes of this review for all the 16 flagship programs they are yet to maybe by that time no factor no into the 2024 fiscal program.
Government spends about government spends about $90 million on these 16 pro-poor policies. We are yakwe nwa ye kani nyina bom na ya review no. E possible say 16 flagship pro-poor policies no ebi be free mu ana.
Review ni about ebi be free mu ana ebi mfree mu. Medical actually the 3 parameters are the year review no. Say effectiveness, efficiency and a value for money.
Yeah.
Say we as a review ni we now who say okay be a free SHS. And the efficiency ni betumi save $2 million because efficiency audit ni hu baby kakra betumi save $2 million ah obe save say scale.
Okay.
Effectiveness ho na be a targeting common no ewo say bia wo ka say obe start introduce targeting na bia we nkwala ni bia free mu a we asem ka keke ho na sa targeting no e be take place na no so obe wi na say savings bia ba ho a wetumi save value for money no say 1 cedi bia wutu ya no say bia wutu ya 1 cedi na onya 90 pesos value na no nti na wo say o match 90 pesos with 90 pesos need to bet sa 10 pesos na fi so no so what is into say ubenya savings kakra
okay
this are fiscal savings now be na bia wo de ye bi fofra so man a wo de aye it may not necessarily mean say we be try flagship program maybe every ho and I say so better if 16 and I say about 30 and
and it's better me possible ana
what you say
and it's better me possible
and also better me possible but I'm saying say review no ya training mamiensa if I IMF documents no ya training mamiensa the parameters of the review are here you know until I say clear said this is the review that we are doing and ubia wa dintri bi ode boa sa review na na hwe na ye dey sa
nurses and teacher training allowance better now
medical explaining the parameters of the review until parameters of the review may be determined.
Okay ate better say eja ye ko IMF say amafo say me ho akire yo say the scan ye bottom say be we.
In fact, the uncofo can say be abide the tour for beba.
Yeah.
Because usually you call an fund programmer a tour for eba.
Sure.
Now, because my mintre a tour was say you 2 years no. Ye di kan ya won hye ma parliament approve that. And so memo has say yet tour you tua was say 13% of GDP. Our brother was saying kedu be 25% of GDP.
Okay.
Under the fund program no, you see 25 there. You can say you pay do 25 a ho kire be do so.
Okay.
Ti yen pay do 18 no afie we am say you fit 13 akọ be 14.5.
Yeah.
Ye di kan ye ho hye nyina deda. De hia ne say eno ebe perform. Eno perform a ehun ko hia say aban be introduce any other new revenue measures. I was abra ka say ye e-levy. Senka yemia ye ni ema e-levy target ni nyina ye boa e try meet ya. Ebianka some of the other measures are actually na say ye copy ba no enka yanko ankopa nti we no moment nyina attention no ko how I bet me encourage so bia beti ane to na ehun anko hia say be introduce any other revenue measures.
Now other word from this issue about say because of debt exchange here both local and international. China for taking over our minerals resources.
Me pacho one kasa for IMF documents ne kan we say yen say because of debt exchange China for ba befa over your resources. Documents na say more kan loans are collateralized.
Yeah.
Loans are collateralized no. Enye enne na collateralized no. Ghana buying fitim fear babesinko. Loans be real why yes sign here. Your person interest rate no ba form nintino. Na collateralize say sa loan we say nitu ya koye den a ye di ebia X% of your cocoa ye nkoton no amansan dwaso ye di betua ka amanipa o man sa loan no tinye ne financial loans ahodo a over the years ya collateralize ye number 1. Number 2, what can IMF document na some more can say in the instance of default ne there na say nipa obo obesia wo ka kire ne say when to me and to your loan na wo de bia cocoa ana oil say ebetua na ka no say when to me and to ya in the instance of default or who kwan say obeka say fa cocoa na gold no fabra betua eka o kasa any different from original contract now sign here and on our contract
so in the case of China, what is at stake the default here China for a take over
again enya sem foforo ye loans ahodo a ya sign ni 19 kujuho a ye collateralize ye nyinara no asem a IMF document na draw your attention to ni say senior motro no tete ni say sa loan we say mo ntumi entua mode ebia cocoa ana gold ana oil ebetua ni pakrona kano sa neti enti say ochina wentumi entua sa loan na nipa na obo sa abesia no wono o ho kwan say osere o say ne se ne o ka so ba me cocoa di ateka no mami cocoa emfentika ye krom ha sei ye ko bo besia yesi awoa wo se wo ko bank se wo ko akoje besia obeka cho say fa collateral bra wo ko microfinance and savings and loans obeka cho say fa bibisia wo ba ye kurase a obi ko akoje besia o de bibisia awoa ntenya de foforo
Ghana for any the relation between you and China in this instance. So with China specific, what is there with our mindset? You defaulted China payment now, we will be losing to China.
And yeah, about China, and that's why I don't want to answer that question. About loans, you know. And the question is loans being and I collateralize from 19 kujuho. About China.
I know. With the end started with 2007.
And I say, go back. Now, offer loans are who do I signing enough? It is abrena bisine. Nebisa who say loans are here na collateralize. And all that the IMF is saying, they say, senior who can't say when to me and to your loan we are, who the cocoa and gold and oil bitiano. Saanete nti hwene tu ya se wantumi antu ya nipa na wo boss abesia won o ho kwan se o sere se fa saade no ba bitu on ka se China ba beje ya ECG ne ye we ana ye we se ebi na me draw attention say no me grant interview me bold date but nipa cultural story no wa share that date na free mu creating the impression say e asem foforo nya asem foforo.
That's a very simple. So, you're bringing out your command. Minister for Information. I'm going to say no AD about IMF conditions here. Tare Sika, Yansaka, Ede from and $3 billion, $600 million above bedroom. Who says same be by about your pro-poor policies, 16 pro-poor policies. They are buying spending about $90 million our home. A quiet babet me so ama aye efficient, cost effective. Na etime gina na so ye ehwo adwuma na ban wadi kaka say by 2024 budget ye kan no review na ban on all the 16 pro-poor policies ni nyina ye behu se ebe kati bi se be kan ho se ebe ni say ni nyina ebe pm medidi akwasi nsi ahwe ye ba se ba ye the people's forum na eto aso.